Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about degrees of adjectives, the superlative form. Let's get started. Remember that an adjective is a word or set of words that modifies, in other words, describes a noun or pronoun. Also note that adjectives may come before or after the word they modify. Have a look at the example over here. This is a cute cat. This cat is cute. Now the word cute is an adjective and it modifies the noun cat. And note that in the first sentence, the adjective comes before the noun cat, and in the second, it comes after the noun cat. Now, most adjectives can show degree of quality or quantity by forming two degrees of comparison, the comparative and the superlative degree. Now, these degrees are formed from the positive degree, which is the usual form of adjectives. Now, have a look at the examples below. Positive degree. For example, this is a tall building. Comparative form, this building is taller than that one. Superlative, this is the tallest building. Now, to form a sentence using superlative adjectives, we use the following formula. Noun or pronoun as the subject of the sentence plus verb plus the plus superlative adjective plus noun or pronoun as the object of the sentence. Have a look at the example below. My room is the largest one in the house. My room, subject, is verb. The largest superlative adjective, house, object of the sentence. Remember that sometimes the group that is being compared with can be omitted. Have a look at the example below. She is the prettiest girl in the office. Note that this part of the sentence, girl in the office, can be omitted. She is the prettiest. Now, when an adjective ends with one syllable, to form the superlative, we simply add est. For example, smart, the smartest. And when an adjective ends with a vowel plus a consonant, we double the consonant and then add est. For example, big, the biggest. And when an adjective ends with a consonant plus a y, we keep the consonant, then change y to I, and then add est. For example, dry, the driest. Now, when an adjective ends with two syllables, we add est or the most. For example, happy, the happiest. Tangled, the most tangled. And when an adjective ends with three syllables, we simply add the most. For example, beautiful, the most beautiful. Now let's have a look at the comparative and superlative form of irregular adjectives. Positive, good. Comparative form would be better. Superlative, the best. Bad. Comparative, worse. Superlative, the worst. Far. Comparative, farther, further. Superlative, the farthest, the furthest. Little, comparative, less. Superlative, the least. Many or much, comparative, more. Superlative, the most.